Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the first question of Wipro training day 5 using Java. So, the question is an exact multiple of m? Here we have to write a function that will accept two parameters and we have to find whether the first parameter is an exact multiple of the second parameter. If the first parameter is an exact multiple of the second parameter, means here if the first parameter is exactly divisible by second parameter, then the function should return 2, else it should return 1. And here given that if either of the parameter are 0, the function should return 3, and also given that within the scope of this question, assume that the first parameter can be positive, negative or 0, and the second parameter will always be greater than or equal to 0. So, we will write the program for this question on Visual Studio Code. So, before start, please subscribe our channel to get all the questions and solutions of Wipro training. Now, let us open Visual Studio Code. Now, press Ctrl N for new tab. Now, at first we will write the program, after that we will see how it works. So, at first we have to import some Java packages. So, let us write import java.io.star, and the another package is import java.util.star. After that we have to define class name. So, let us write user main code 1, because it is our first question of day 5, and before saving it, let us copy all the questions of day 4 and let us create another folder named as day 4, and here we will move all the question to day 4. So, now by pressing Ctrl S, we will save the program, and here our program name should be same as the class name. So, here we have to write user main code 1.java, and let us select all files and let us save. Now, after that we will define the function. So, let us write public static int is multiple, and here we will pass two formal argument as an input. So, let us write input 1 and int input 2. After that we will write the condition which is given in the question. If either of the parameter are equal to 0, then we will return 3. So, or input 2 equal to 0, then what we will do? We will return 3. After that, here else if input 2 is greater than equal to 0 and if input 1 is exact multiple of input 2. So, here we have to write input 1 modulus input 2 equal to 0, then we will return 2, else we will return 1. After that, out of the else if block we have to return 0. Now, we will write the main function. So, let us write public static void main string args, and after that we will define some variables. Let us write no1 for number 1 and no2 for number 2, means first number and second number, and another is result for storing the value of calling function. After that we will create the scanner class and we will create the object of a scanner class. So, we have to write new scanner system dot in, which will represent the keyboard, and after that we will write the message to the user to enter the first and second number. So, system.out.println, and here we will write the message enter first number, and we will read the first number from keyboard. So, here we have to write no1 equal to sc dot next int, and for second number let us copy this and paste it here, and just change the first to second, and same we will read the second number from keyboard. So, we have to write no2 equal to sc dot next int, and after that we will call the function and we will store the value of calling function into result. So, here our function name is multiple. So, here we have to write is multiple, and we have to pass the actual argument, that is no1 and no2. So, here we have to write no1 and no2, and after that we will print the value. So, we have to write system.out.println, and here we have to pass the variable result, and by pressing Ctrl S we will save the program. So, now to run the program, let us go into the drive where I have saved the program, and let us go into the folder. In my case, I have saved my program in folder Java programming, and here to run the program we have to write the command. So, let us write javac, and here we have to write the file name user main code 1.java and press enter, and after that we have to write java user main code 1, which is the file name, and here enter first number. So, let us take 42, and here also the enter second number. So, let us take 2, and here we know that the 42 is exactly divisible by 2. So, it should return 2, because here we can see that if input 1 modulus input 2 equal to 0, then the program should return 2. So, let us check, and here we can see that it returns 2, and let us run for another input. Here enter first number. So, this time we will take 7, and the second number will be 3, and we know that the 7 is not divisible by 3. So, it should return 1. So, let us check, and here we can see that it returns 1, and let us run for another input, and this time we will take first number be 0, and the second number will 4, and here we can see that here one input is 0 and the another is 4. So, if either of the input is 0, our program should return 3. So, let us check, and here we can see that it returns 3. Now, we will see how it works. At first, we have defined the function named as is multiple, and we have passed two verbal argument as an input. So, let us take input 1 and input 2. So, let us take input 1 equal to let us take a small input, let us say 4, and the input 2 equal to let us take 2, and we know that the 4 is exact multiple of 2. So, after that we will check the condition if input 1 equal to 0 or if input 2 equal to 0, and here we can see that our none of the input is equal to 0. So, this condition will false. After that we will come else part, and here else if input 2 is greater than equal to 0, and here we can see that input 2 is greater than 0. So, after that we will enter into the else if block, and we will again check the condition if input 1 modulus input 2 equal to 0, and here we can see that 4 modulus 2 is equal to 0. So, our condition is true. So, it should return 2. So, our program will return 2, and this way you can check for the another inputs as well. So, please do like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.